Amaphoyisa azohlonyiswa ngazozonke izinto ukuqinisekisa ukuthi iyahlonishwa imithetho ebekelwe ukuvimbela ukubhebhetheka kwegciwane iCOVID-19 emenyezelwe uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngeSonto. Phakathi kwalemithetho kukhona nokuvalwa kokudayiswa kwatshwala emva kwehora lesithupha ntambama. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa kanye nowezamajele babenesithangami nabezindaba ePitoli namhlanje.
Lenhlekelele esibhekene nezwe inomthelela emalungelweni abantu njengoba sekumiswe nemihlangano kwabeka nemigomo yokusebenza kwezindawo ezithiba ukoma.
We have checked the taverns in the Republic of South Africa. We've got 19,971 of them, taverns. And we've got 11,000 bottle stores. And we have got 9,747 restaurants. And we've got 2,518 clubs. As from today, as the South African police, were appointing spotters. Those spotters will be in these places, especially those places that sell food and alcohol. We want to reiterate this because it seems to be a little bit of confusion. At 6 o'clock, selling and consumption of alcohol shuts down.
Ucele uthi bazoyikhotha imbenge yomile laba abashay'indiva umthetho ikakhulukazi abanini bamabhizinisi nabagqugquzeli bemicimbi.
On those, it's not just a promise, but it's what we're going to do. They will see the authority of the state. You go to church after the meeting had taken place yesterday and you have more than 100 people at there. Those people that are organizing this thing, even if abefundis, reverends, we will act on them.
Okwamanje akekho osetholwe ukuthi une COVID-19 emajeleni.
There has not been a positive test at this stage. You will remember we are doing this under the guidance of the Department of Health. And the Minister of Health has spoken on many occasions that we have not yet reached a stage of massive testing. And he has also given clear guidelines as to when and under which circumstances will a person be tested.
Ukuhlehliswa kwamacala kuzokwenziwa esithe ngaphandle kwamacala aqulwayo. Lokhu kwenzelwa ukwehlisa isiminyaminya emajele nasezinkantolo.